She was all in, texting first, planning the next date before this one ended, looking at you like you were already hers. Then the second it started feeling real, she vanished. Colder, slower, suddenly busy. And you are left staring at your phone convinced you did something wrong. You didn't. Here's the part nobody explains. She didn't pull away despite liking you. She pulled away because how much she did. There are 4 reasons this happens. The fourth one is the one that decides whether she comes back or not. Reason 1. Real feelings turn into real fear. When a woman starts genuinely liking you, something else shows up underneath it. The fear of what happens if this goes wrong. A casual fling carries no risk, but the moment you start to matter, her brain registers everything she now stands to lose. Pulling back isn't her losing interest. It's her testing whether the ground is solid before she lets herself fall further. The distance is the size of how much she cares. The more it scared her, the further she stepped back to feel safe. Before I tell you the second reason, I created a completely free handbook which tells you why she pulls away and how you can fix it. It is completely free and the link is in the description. So let's get back to the video. Reason 2. She's protecting herself before you can hurt her. Most people who have been hurt build the same reflex. Leave a little emotionally before the other person can. When she feels herself getting attached, a quiet alarm fires. What if he stops wanting me once he has me? So she withdraws first. Not because she wants to leave, but because being the one who pulled back hurts less than being the one left behind. She's not walking away from you. She's bracing against a wound she's already felt before. And you happen to get close enough to reopen the risk of it. Reason 3. She's testing whether you'll chase or be steady. When she pulls back, she's watching what you do. Not consciously, but closely. And most men fail this exact moment. They panic. They double text. Ask what's wrong. Flood her with reassurance. That neediness confirms her deepest fear. That your stability depends on her. And now she has to manage yours on top of her own. The man who passes does the opposite. He stays warm but unshaken. He gives her room without going cold. He shows her that her distance doesn't break him, which is the only thing that makes the distance feel safe to close again. But the fourth reason is the one that changes everything. Reason 4. She's waiting to see if you stay the same man. Here's what she's really learning in that silence. Whether the man she started falling for is consistent or whether he transforms the moment she stops giving him attention. If you were confident and grounded when she was all in but you turned anxious and clingy the instant she pulls back, she learns the version she liked wasn't real. It was conditional on her reassurance. But if you are the exact same man whether she's close or distant, same calm, same warmth, same self-possession, she learns the thing every woman is actually testing for. That you are safe to fall for because you don't collapse when she stops holding you up. And here's what you need to sit with. When she pulled away, your instinct was to chase harder. And that instinct every time is what confirmed the fear she was already fighting. You read her distance as rejection. It was almost always the opposite. It was her caring so much it scared her, waiting to see if you would prove her wrong. You didn't lose her in those moments. You just kept answering the test with the one response that fails it. So the next time she pulls back right when things get good, don't panic and don't pursue. Stay exactly who you were. Warmth, steady, unbothered by the gap. Let her feel that your center holds with or without her. That steadiness is the only thing that turns her pulling away into her coming back. I am dating ASAP. Class dismissed.